In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your Fresha dashboard to manage team commissions. Whether you're new to the platform or need a refresher, I'll guide you through each step to ensure you're maximizing the potential of your setup. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by accessing your Fresha dashboard. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the interface where you'll notice a variety of icons. The one we are interested in today is the gear icon, your gateway to the settings menu. Go ahead and click on it. Next, you'll need to look for the option labeled Teams. It's all about managing your staff settings, and it's crucial for setting up commissions correctly. Once you find Teams, go ahead and click on it to bring up a new set of options. Within this section, focus your gaze on the left-hand side once more, and you'll see Commissions. Clicking on this will take you to the area where you can adjust important commission settings for your team. This is where you have the power to fine-tune how commissions are calculated to best meet the needs of your business. You'll notice several settings you can adjust. For instance, you can choose whether to deduct discounts and taxes from your team's commissions. You also have options concerning the service cost and product cost. These adjustments are instrumental in ensuring your commission calculations align with how you run your business. Take a moment to think about how you want to set these parameters to reflect your operational goals. Additionally, you'll see options to enable commission earnings based on memberships and fully paid invoices. These settings can be particularly useful if your business model includes loyalty programs or if you often deal with various payment stages for your services. Think carefully about whether these apply to your current structure and enable the ones that do. Once you've reviewed these options and determined the best setup for your team, simply toggle on the preferences that align with your strategy. Remember, these settings play a crucial role in how your team is compensated. So, be sure you're deliberate and clear about what will work best for everyone involved. And that's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you've now configured your team's commission settings to optimally support your business needs. Remember, managing these settings proactively can lead to a motivated team and a smoothly running business. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore more tutorials or reach out for support. Until next time.